Claude Code is one of the most powerful AI tools I've ever touched. But recently, I stopped using it for my agency work and I started using something way simpler instead. And with this new software, I'm able to run a lot of my business operations with no code and no complicated setup. You see, I currently run a social media marketing agency, and last month we did over $400,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick so you can see this is legit. So there it is, over $400,000 in revenue, and we have around 350 active clients paying around $1,000 a month. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying Claude Code is bad. It's amazing. For complex software projects, building custom apps, or deep technical work, it's one of the best tools out there. But for most beginners, people who are just trying to learn AI so they can make money online, I think there's a better way. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is. I'll show you why I stopped leaning on Claude Code. I'll walk you through the software I'm using now, and I'll run the exact prompts live so you can see the results on my screen. And then I'll show you how a total beginner can turn this into the AI service business. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. Why I stopped using Claude Code. A lot of people online try to make Claude Code sound simple. They say just set up a couple of things, write a prompt, and you're good to go. And yeah, the prompts are simple, but the truth is, even Anthropic admitted that Claude Code is built for software developers, engineers, and technical teams. It's not built for the average person trying to automate their business. Here's what I mean. When I first started testing it, I wanted to automate my social media content for myself and my clients. Sounds easy, right? But then it got deep fast. I had to set up a terminal, connect an MCP, get an API approved, and that was just to get to the starting line. Let me show you what actually happens when you try to use Claude Code to post just to Instagram. Step 1, you open up a terminal. If you don't know what a terminal is, that's the black screen with the blinking cursor that hackers use in movies. You have to install Claude Code through something called Node. Then you have to install Node itself. Then you have to get an Anthropic API key, load it up with credits, and paste it into a file on your computer. Step 2, now you need to connect Claude Code to Instagram. Claude Code can't just post, it needs a thing called an MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol. So you sign up for another tool, grab another API key, install their SDK, and wire it up. That's 2 API keys just to get started. Step 3, and this is where it gets ugly. To post to Instagram through any API, you need to create a developer account, build the app, justify your permissions in writing, and wait for Meta to approve it. That approval takes anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks, and they reject people all the time. And that's just Instagram. If you want Facebook too, that's another app review. TikTok, that's another developer account. YouTube, another OAuth setup. Email sending, another integration. And every single one of those is one more thing that can break at 2 in the morning, right when you finally think everything is working smoothly. And listen, I was committed. I was ready to learn all of it. I was taking notes. I was watching tutorials. I was sitting in front of my terminal at midnight, Googling error messages. But then I realized something. I was spending more time setting up the tool than actually using it to make money. I hadn't posted a single thing for a client yet, and I still had more to learn. And then something new launched, and I quit learning immediately because this is exactly what I dreamt of. Let me explain more with Chapter 2, the new launch that simplified everything. But before we move on, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies, Go HighLevel SaaS, and many others. And I'm here to share his knowledge with you, because the truth is, there are enough opportunities out there for us all to win, and sharing my knowledge does nothing to impact our wins, and it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, let's move on. Chapter 2, the new launch that simplified everything. I use a software called HighLevel to manage all my businesses, including my social media marketing agency. I've been using it for years. It's where I handle my pipeline, my clients, my email, my social posts, my calendars, everything. Well, recently, HighLevel launched Ask AI, which is powered by Claude. But here's the thing that makes it different. Ask AI already has every MCP and every API connection built into it. I don't have to write code or set up anything. It just works because their development team has been building this for years. So instead of spending days wiring Claude Code up to my tools, I log into HighLevel, I click Ask AI, and I tell it what I want. It reads my CRM, brand board, pipeline, my social accounts, and then it generates the content, schedules the posts, and drafts the emails, all from one chat box. No code, no terminal, no setup. Plus, it's a more cost-efficient option. Instead of paying for Claude and a CRM tool, now you just need one. All right, now let me actually show you this in action. Chapter 3, making social media content. I'm logged into my HighLevel demo account. On the left sidebar, you'll see a button called Ask AI right at the top under my account name. That opens up a chat window that looks similar to Claude. The big box in the middle says, "What's on your mind, Sean Standberry?" But remember, this one already has my whole business connected to it. I'm going to pretend I have a new client in the real estate space. Here's the exact prompt I'm typing in. Act as an elite social media marketer and create 3 carousel Instagram posts, starting with the graphics for a real estate business. Do some research to create compelling graphics that will capture attention and are trendy right now. The post should focus on giving valuable tips and information over selling direct services. I hit enter, and now watch what happens. Ask AI starts thinking. And this is the part that's crazy. You can see it working in real time. It says thinking. It searches for trending real estate content and Instagram carousel trends. Then it says, all right, no brand board set up yet for this sub account. So I'll build a polished luxury real estate palette from scratch. Deep navy, gold champagne accent, and bold modern sans serif font. After thinking for about 27 seconds, it starts generating the 3 cover slides at the same time. It decides on a single theme that works for all 3 posts: buyer's market versus seller's market. What it actually means for you. And the graphics pop up right inside the chat. Navy background, gold trim, and big bold text. These look like something a real designer would charge for, and Ask AI just made them for free. Slide 1 is the hook, buyers versus sellers market. What it actually means for you. Swipe to understand today's market. Slide 2 breaks down buyer's market versus seller's market side by side. More homes than buyers, bidding wars, all the good stuff. The final slide is the call to action. Knowing the market equals knowing your power. Follow for more real estate tips. And it gives me the captions, the hashtags, and the full content strategy too. No Canva, no Photoshop, no switching tabs. It just builds them right inside the CRM. By the way, HighLevel is the platform we use to run our entire agency and manage all of our clients. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to test it out using the link in the description below. And if you sign up with my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course completely free. Just go to SeanStanberry.com because it gets even better in chapter 4. Publishing the posts. Now here's the part that still blows my mind. I don't have to download these graphics, upload them somewhere else, and schedule them manually. I just type my next message into the same chat. Schedule these posts to my social media over the next 3 days at the best times. I hit enter. And Ask AI says, let me check your connected social media accounts first. In about 15 seconds, it pulls up every account connected to this sub account. Then it goes and searches the web for the best posting times for real estate content. It says Tuesdays 1 to 7 p.m. and Wednesdays 12 to 9 p.m. are the peak windows based on engagement data. Then it builds the full schedule and shows it to me with all the captions and hashtags ready to go. It then pushes them straight into my HighLevel content calendar. Done. In one chat. Now, this is just one example with basic prompting, but I am really stress testing how far this feature can go. If you're interested in seeing a prompt library around this, let me know in the comment section below and I'll consider putting something together. But listen, it's not just social media posts. Let me show you what else this can do. Chapter 5, emailing and drafting follow-ups. One of the biggest problems in any business is follow-up. There are leads sitting in the CRM pipeline going cold and nobody's touching them. So I wanted to see if Ask AI could fix that too. Here's the prompt I typed in. Identify 15 prospects in my pipeline right now that need to be followed up with. Then draft follow-up emails for each of them based on where they are in the pipeline. I hit enter. And Ask AI starts thinking again. It reads my CRM opportunities. It pulls every pipeline I have in this sub account and runs a search. Then it says, okay, I found 15 prospects in the cold outreach pipeline, all dental practices in Atlanta at the new contact stage. Then it drafts a personalized follow-up email for every single one of those 15 prospects, not a generic template, a real personalized message that matches where they are in the buying process. A new contact gets a warm intro email, an email sent gets a bump, a follow-up gets a breakup style nudge. Everyone is different and everyone is written for that stage. And here's the best part. I can say send these and it sends them, or I can say save these as drafts so I can review them first. Either way, work that used to take a couple of hours is done in 2 minutes. So just think about that for a second. Social posts, graphics, captions, scheduling, emails, follow-ups, pipeline management, all from one chat box. That is the difference between a tool built for engineers and a tool built for business owners. Chapter 6, the easiest AI service business for beginners. Now let me tie this all together because this is the part that matters most if you're starting from nothing. If you're brand new to AI and you want to make money online, the fastest path is offering a service. You don't need to build an app. You don't need a big audience. You don't need a product. You just need to do something valuable for a business and charge them for it. And I think the easiest service to sell right now is AI powered content and follow-up. Every small business needs more posts. Every small business needs better emails. Every small business has leads they're not following up with. That's your opening. Here's what a beginner can do this week. Step 1, sign up for HighLevel and set up a sub account for a sample client. Step 2, Use Ask AI to build their social content and their email follow-ups, just like I showed you. Step 3. Pitch it to them, then charge them a flat monthly fee to run it. For something like this, you don't have to charge high fees because your costs are minimum. One person could easily manage 12 to 15 sub-accounts, charging roughly $500 a month. And the reason this works for beginners is because you don't need to know how to code. You don't need to know how to design. You don't need to know how to wire up APIs. Ask AI does the hard part. You just run the prompts, monitor things, and deliver the results. This is exactly why I stopped using Claude Code. Yes, it is powerful, but it's built for people who are more technical. If you're a beginner just trying to make money with AI, you need a tool that already has all the plumbing done for you. HighLevel's Ask AI does that. It creates your graphics, schedules your posts, pulls your prospects, and drafts your emails from one chat box. And that's only scratching the surface. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I show you pushing this to the limit and attempting to generate over 60 images from one prompt. So check that video out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.